Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling with another frequently asked question. Do you charge for estimates? When it comes to a new piece of equipment, there is no charge for an estimate. All of our estimates include a highly trained team member coming to your home to assess your individual installation requirements and discuss any issues you're currently experiencing. An assessment of your home will be conducted to find the correct size of equipment, and many factors play a part in this, such as the insulation values, the number of windows, duct sizing, and more. A detailed estimate will be put together, providing you with the overall best solution and additional options, and our team member will happily review it with you. I'll follow up to see if you have any additional questions, would like to explore any additional options, or if you would like to schedule your installation date. Remember, there are no pushy sales tactics used. We are here for you, and we genuinely care about your family's comfort and will work with you to find the best solution possible for any situation. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments below. We look forward to working with you soon. Take care.